Hi guys, Pickles the Guys and here, the Jamaican YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to do a different type of video. We're going to react to IG questions to my followers like, why are you guys single? Let me know. And it's for a video, so this is okay for me to share. But I'm not going to share their usernames as to incriminate them or anything. So let's get straight into this video today. Alright, so you see me looking down, I'm looking at the phone. So the first one is saying here, I like my space and I'm just truly getting to know myself. Not ready to add a person to that equation. Okay, know yourself, kings. Focus on yourself, kings. Focus on yourself, queens. Something that has been promoted, been pushed, that narrative has been pushed for the whole of the pandemic, because people start to recognize that persons are not really for them as it may seem. So just focus on yourselves, get yourself to a place that is desirable for others, that will attract others, and then it will fall into place. That makes sense. No problems there. The next person says, no one wants a committed relationship no more. Everyone just wanna or use people for things. So basically this person is saying that people just want to have sex. And you know, back in the olden days, people used to say, if you can get the milk without the cow, then just get the milk. You know what I mean? And I guess this is still holding true today. I mean, if you can get what you want from someone without giving them the more of you, or with the path of least resistance, then why not go for the thing that works for you? You know what I mean? So I mean, interesting. I mean, at the end of the day, it is what it is. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do. This one says, next one says, good question. No man no there Japan. What? What do you mean? Like, what? Am I not a man? Anyway, I guess some persons don't have the type of man they want here in Japan. And that's fine. I mean, it is what it is. The next person says, it's rough in the streets. It is. I can tell you from experience, it is rough out here in these streets. You don't know who you're messing with and you don't know what's going on. But people, no man in Japan is kind of disrespectful. Another person says, I need a man that's going to read my mind and give me money. Wow. So, alright, I guess she knows what she wants, so let's move on. The last person I dated said I was clingy and too affectionate. Maybe that person doesn't know how to deal with love, or I don't know. Some people tend not to be able to take on love, or maybe your type of love language didn't match with theirs, and so it came off as suffocating. I'm not clingy, but I mean, I like my love language is quality time. So I just spend time with the person that I really like or I'm into. So I mean, it is what it is. This one says, nobody wants us. So this person referred to herself as a us. There might be some other problems we want to address. I'm kidding. But yeah, wow, nobody wants us in the streets. That's true. Nobody wants good people anymore. Just want these hoes out here. This one says, the love of my life waiting to reveal themselves as I'm leaving Japan. Really? Well, what do I say to that? I don't know. I don't know. This one says, people don't want to get to know me, rather just judge and move on. That, my friend, there is a common problem right now. It happens to everybody. Where we are in the world, this is the problem that happens. People don't want to get to know people anymore. They just want to get to where they want to get to. You know what I mean? And that oftentimes leads to, oh God, I can't speak English anymore. This kind of leads to problems in the future and forming relationships. You know what I mean? This person says, the dating pool is too small, especially if you're in Tokyo. Everybody knows each other or has slept with each other. Well, not to brag, but no one has a fan on me here in Tokyo. I think maybe one person. and she's not in anybody else's circle, to my knowledge, at least. Yeah, I mean, this is what it is. You gotta make do what you gotta make do. You know what I mean? Men just ain't it. Men ain't shit. I don't think it's like that. Women are trash. No rhyming scheme, no. People are trash in general, and then ain't shit in general. So, I mean, it is what it is. I guess. I am toxic. Okay. Other person says I'm too intimidating. What's intimidating about you? I don't see the intimidation. Actually, I welcome you. We are actually supposed to go on a wine date on Netflix, and it still hasn't happened. I guess you're avoiding me. So who's intimidating who now? And this one says I pooped in bed. What? Yo, come on. This person says, cause I'm asexual and waiting on Jesus to return. What you say? What you really think about that, say? You're waiting on Jesus to return and you're asexual. Alright. I mean, okay. I don't believe it. This one says, cause I'm a junker can't afford me. Yo. Oh man, I mean, she's straight to the point. She's just like, yo, you guys can't afford her. The junker boy. I'm not a junker though, so no, this one says, typical Japanese, too busy with work. I'm not even going to touch that one. Oh, you want to ask me now why I am single? No, that I can't answer. Beats me. Alright, if you like these type of videos, let me know in the comments down below. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see next on the channel. And hopefully this is up before the new year. Alright, because the guys are Jamaican YouTuber. Iki, my show. Whoosh. Nah, lie. Some of them girls who message me now. I need to respond to them fast.